about to fuck his truck up. Yeah. See, country boy gotta teach a city punk how to work it.
We got Big John out here. Tiffany and her little brother. They went fishing at Lake Penn and didn't catch anything. So then they want to come and catch all the fish out of my pond. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Then LJ, I want my redemption against little LJ right there. Make sure I get my redemption against him. You see him? I'm gonna get you this time, LJ. I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna catch more fish than you. Yup, I'm gonna catch more fish. You beat me last time. This time I'm gonna beat you. Alrighty. The FLW tour went on today. I should have been in it too. Yeah, man, I should have. Whoever don't catch any fish got to jump in the water. Especially if the sun came back out. Well, I'm gonna go and put mine in the boat, well, on the bank now. So I brought out the bait that I know gonna get bit. Oh yeah, that's what I was talking about. If we go over there, the little bluegill hole. You ever caught a warmouth? Yeah, I caught one the other day, man. That thing was fat as hell. I thought it looked like it got a crappie mouth with a bluegill body, but it's really fat, like healthy looking damn thing. Yep, caught a damn warmouth. Good job. That was a good one, Luke. Uh-oh. You learning something from your uncle.
Whoa, Luke.
Oh, wait, did you see that? Oh my God. Oh wow, that was a big splash. It was a fish, it went bloop. I can't get out there. Oh no, definitely, go ahead. I want to see what's out there. I tried to do it, but I couldn't do it. Ooh. Ooh. Got him, got him, got him. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Oh, look, oh, it came off. Oh, it came off. Oh, that was a nice one too. Almost. Good Lord. And that's where I threw it right over there, and I said, it's a fish over there, and I just let it sit there. I didn't even do nothing. I had that motherfucker. I think it was a mudfish. Nah, it was running like a bass though.
They had a big mouth.
You seen me let him eat it though, didn't you? You seen me let him eat it, but I think he was running with it. It is some over there going crazy, I tell you. Ooh, big splash. I tried to do that. Oh, he going over there. I'm following him. Oh, there I go again. Did you just see that, dude? You seen that, right? I know, man. I know, because I had that one. Damn. I was gonna talk so much crap. Oh shit. Oh, got him. Oh, motherfucker. Motherfucker. Fucking mother. Piece of shit. Fudge. Sickles. Fudge. Damn it, man. Let's see what he do. I always felt like this would be the best spot because of under that tree. Stuff fall out the tree all the time, you know. And it's shady, right? Yep, you're right about that. All right, so as the challenge goes, Fernando 2 fish, Big John none, Pipsqueak over there none. He's in quicksand. We're just gonna let him drown.
The challenge is you're supposed to catch it. So catching it means you bring them to the shoreline. You hold it in your hand.
I got you. Don't worry about it. Whoa! Scared the hell out of me.
Now, the rules state.
Ooh, that was another one.
And bring him on the shore. Right? So whoever doesn't catch one has to get in the water.
Well, we didn't put no time limit on it, so.
Hey, Joseph. Oh, he's over there. You ain't got no pliers in no damn truck.
Yep. I sure don't. I don't have any pliers. Nope. I just grabbed everything and my pliers are on the back of the. Use a stick. You're gonna have to get to stick and jab it in there. Big John with the bowfin. We got quite a bit of those things in here, boy. Just gonna hold it from the side. It ain't gonna bite you. Okay, yeah, it's time to do old wormy worm. They don't want the jig. You riding? Drive, because I know once we go back down there, I ain't coming back down this way. And of course, it's funner to drive, dipshit. Dingleberry. Got him. He went back under the tree. Huh. Oh, my drag. Oh. Woo. Got me wrapped up in the tree. I actually wanted to see how big that fish was. I have no clue. But you see my drag, right? You see I couldn't even fucking reel up on him. All those fucking egg. Pretty sure it's these damn fucking turtles. Man, that's 3 fish. Nah, I took my worm.
You caught 3 fish. Or, wait, let me rephrase it. Just because you had 3 fish on your line, don't mean you caught them. Sir. Get your ass in that water.
I'm gonna have to take a rain check.
No, the rain check. Get your vagina.
Some bullshit. Nope, I still can fish. Just because you quit don't mean I gotta quit.
Well, me and him are leaving, so
And
technically then it's over with.
No, because if I catch a fish, I can take a picture.
But, shit, that picture could be from like a year ago.
I'll make a video.
Video could have been from 6 months ago.
Go in there and catch it, go unthawed tilapia and shit. Like, yeah, man, I already skinned it and everything.
Yeah. What you gonna do? Fernando about to fuck his truck up. Yeah. See, country boy gotta teach the city punk how to work it.